guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Back again, so we'll call this charcoal gray Abus number 2 83AL50. This is the 2 of the 4 that I described. They all have different keys now. So since I SPP'd this one in the last video and it was not easy, we're going to try and Lishied it today. We'll use our 2-in-1. If I can get it into the lock. Yeah, there we go. Carefully get it all the way in. So we have 2-in-1, which is to pick it and decode it. We'll tension it from here and we'll give it a shot. So let's start off pin 1, 2. We're going to leave 3 alone since we know that it's a 9 cut. So that should help. I'm going to click on a 5. Click at a 6. Let's go back to 1. Click. Two. Okay, back to 1. We had a click there out of 6. Carefully want to pull this back. It's stuck. Okay. 1, 2. Click out of 4. 5. Another click out of 6. We'll go back to 1. Go back to 2. 4. 5. And 6. 1. 2. 'Kay, I'm just going to reset that and start again. Okay, that was 6. Let's go back to 1. 1 click there. Nothing on 2. Let's go over to 4. A couple of clicks there out of 4. Okay, let's go back to 1. 2. Click out of 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Another click. Well, try again. Start off at 1. 2, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go back to 1. Click. I'm going to leave 3 alone because we know, and there we go. Okay, well, picked considerably better than it did SPPing it, but anyway, so let's decode it. Even though we know the bidding, I'll just show you how it works. So we go to pin 6, you'll see that, sorry, let's start at pin 1. So we know that pin 1 is a 2, pin 2 is a 4, pin 3 is a 9, pin 4 is a 7, pin 5 is that nasty 0 cut, and a 4 for pin 6. And that's ABIS number 2. Lishied for you guys, and I will gut it just to show you that it is the same stuff inside. Nothing's changed, in case someone's wondering. Keep this here for this time around. And I think the key there for me was knowing to be careful with position number 3, which was the 0 cut, which was the 9 cut. So even the slightest touch on that pin would have overset it. So actually, it's just not thinking that straight right now. I'm just going to keep that right there for you guys, because I do need this tray, or else I'm not going to have anywhere to put this stuff. Okay, so we've got the core out. We'll pull this, yeah, what a difference. So, you know, a handful of times now using this Lishied, but it takes a little bit getting used to. So you gotta remember again the detent on these bloody cores, and then try to slowly get your shim in. You don't want to bend the end of the shim, because once you do, it ain't going back in there. Okay, we'll get that in there like that. We'll run that through the garden. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's the same 6 pins. If I could get it to focus, there we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll line those up for you. So I will be bringing the 3rd one of these to the series with a nasty key at some point. So we know here what we got. We've got serrated in 1. Got our copper spring. I'm just doing this so, you know, in case anybody's wondering if anything has changed inside that might have made that any different, but let's try to be as transparent as possible. Here's another spool, another spool, and again standard in 6, and we'll get our springs. So that's it, guys. That's ABIS number 2 charcoal gray. 2 out of the 4 that I have, and have made some interesting keys for the other one. So that's it, guys. Lishied for you. And again, I'll show you the nasty key. And that's why pin number 3, we stayed away from it, because anything just touching it, you would overset that pin. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Lishied version of this one. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. Appreciate your support. See you at the next one. Stay well.